how to reset your Merrill Edge password. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, if you have forgotten your password for Merrill Edge, we can reset it online in just a few minutes. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by opening up the website. We can directly go over to Merrill Edge and hit enter, look out for merrilledge.com and open it up. Now within the space, we can directly look out for the sign in option here where we can enter our credentials to log in. Or if you do not find it here, you can look out for the login option in the top right and select it. Now in order to look out for your password, it's very easy. We can look out for this option called forgot password directly and go ahead and click on it right below the login option here. And that should head us to another page where we can reset our password. So for that, we just need to enter up information such as user ID. They will ask us. You can just go and enter up your user ID here and click on next or continue option. And you may need to verify using email verification code, phone, text message, security questions, etc. Once you do so, you will be given an option to enter up a new password. You can just head over and use that password, the one that you've created, to log in here and click on this option called login. And you can return to the login page and sign in with a new password. And that's it. So that is it everybody. You can follow out this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.